Thank you for tuning in to the Artist Abstract. This is the cooking edition. Today, we're going to be making my version of what I like to think of as fried rice, a meal that can be made in like less than 30 minutes and ready to eat. So let's jump right into it and start cooking. Thank you for joining us on the Artist Abstract. This is the cooking edition. Today we're going to be making fried rice, or at least my version of fried rice, chicken fried rice to be exact. And it's a meal that can be made in like less than 30 minutes and makes about five decent sized portions for at least a week or for five people. So let's jump right into it and start cooking. And there it is, one incredibly easy meal to make on your own. The one thing I love about this meal is not only is it delicious, it's also super filling and great for a family or just meal prepping throughout the week. Just remember to tune in for more recipes by myself. Oh, this is my fried rice. It's so delicious. I love it. You should try some and make the recipe yourself. Tune in, because I'll be coming out with more recipes like this one and many, many more. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for tuning in to the Artist Abstract Cooking Edition. I hope you tune in next time to see what we'll be cooking next and following along. And I hope you have a wonderful day. As we say in Japanese, ikidigayamasu. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.